Hey, how are ya? All right, it is mem day. It is like 10:30, 11 o'clock. It is a nice, I don't know, 75, 78 degrees, an awesome breeze. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to try to get some work done in the yard. Ooh, that's what I did yesterday. Didn't show you guys the finished product, but there it is. But anyways, today, you see this rose right here. Now this is my Viking queen. She is a climber. I have her twin sister, which because of the Arctic blast that we had this summer, well this winter, I thought she was going to live, but she is pretty much dead. So I'm going to take her out and I'm going to replace her with this beautiful climber. Now this one gets to like 10, I don't know. Let me see. Climbing rose. Oh, 10 to 12. Here's her info. There you go. And then this is what she is. Do you see her? Don't ask me how to say that because I don't know. So that's my goal this morning, to actually do more weeding in both of my raised beds, get the pretty girl planted, probably do more mulching over there, and I have two hydrangeas that I thought died, but they have some green sprouting, so I'm going to see what I can do about saving them. So that's my goal for today. And when I plant new stuff, I always use this stuff, Biotone Starter. Yeah. All right. Talk to you later.